Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna break down one of the core components to our ad strategy and how it differs from a lot of generic agencies out there. So this video is for businesses who have tried ads in the past and maybe they haven't seen the best results or they've been disappointed, or for businesses who are just curious about how our strategies really differ from a lot of the other options out there. So first, we're going to look at this whiteboard here. And so these are two different strategies that I have outlined. So in the Meta Ads library, we have us and what we do, and we have, generic agencies or what a lot of people get wrong. So these right here represent the ad creatives. And all these L's, these are leads. But these big bold L's, these are qualified high intent buyers who are more likely and more willing to buy from you. And these small L's, these are tire kickers. These are low intent, unqualified leads. Now, the problem is that most people, they run these ads, they don't filter anyone out. So as a result, they get a lot of low quality, low intent leads booked onto their calendar. Now, what this does is it creates on paper a low cost per lead. And so they're able to go back to their clients and say, look, you have a low cost per lead booked onto your calendar. But what it's doing is creating two big problems. One is that you're wasting time. You're having a bunch of calls with people and you're chasing down buyers who are never going to buy anyway. And secondly, is you are telling the Metapixel, which in Meta Ads is what analyzes your ads and who is booking. And it goes and it tells them, anybody and everybody is a qualified buyer. And so it just creates this reoccurring cycle that is very difficult to scale because there's too much volume getting booked onto your calendar, and it's hard to create a predictable close rate and create a predictable system for inbound content. Now, what we do differently is this red bar here. This is our filter, and our aim is to filter out all of these low quality, low intent buyers and only get these high intent buyers booked onto your calendar. And so when we do that, that can tell the Metapixel to target more of these people, which creates a more predictable and scalable system. Now, what this does is it might create a higher cost per lead, but again, you are getting better quality leads, and that becomes a more predictable and scalable system than getting just a bunch of volume booked on. So I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, we can definitely cover them on our call coming up. I look forward to chatting soon. See you then.